Stories of great turnarounds are very inspiring. Such is the story of Neil from Mumbai. Neil was a part of match 1 of IRC season 2021. But somehow it was not a good start. W Baba mentioned that during the mock run of IRC, Neil faced a few challenges.
Neil and I, like both of us were discussing because his motor driver had burnt out and he said that the capacitors were not working.
The issues were different during the league match, but there was some problem with the robot. The robot was unable to race. None of us thought that this can even happen, but since it's electronics, nothing is in our hand. Both W Baba and our judge looked disappointed as Neil informed during the match that his voltage regulator just burnt out.
But now I think the voltage regulator has burnt out or what, I don't know.
We wished him best of luck, not knowing that the universe had some other plans for him. We came back with Neil on wild card entry match number 5, where he was supposed to get only one chance to prove his presence in the IRC. And look what happened when the race started.
Okay, Neil is going to get only one chance. Chalo, 3, 2, 1, start.
Neil's robot clocked an amazing timing of 45 seconds, a great turnaround. Credit goes to the hard work of Neil that he has done while he got disqualified from the league stage. Neil Mehta from Mumbai is now in the semi-finals of IRC 2021, and finally Neil was also happy. In the semi-finals we saw Neil once again, and this time he completed all the 3 rounds and very smoothly made his place for the final. W Baba and our judge was curious to know about the arrangement of the sensors, but to their surprise, Neil said,
Neil, I would like to know one thing. Why have you placed your sensor like this? Or do you want to tell about this after the finals?
Yes, actually I want to reveal the secret after finals.
Okay. So we'll meet Neil in the finals because Neil has definitely booked his slot in the finals. So congratulations, Neil, because your timing is way under 1 minute. So you have already kicked out Ashu and Arav.
So best of luck, Neil, and we are looking forward for yet another dhamaka performance in the final. So Mumbai people, you have too many reasons to cheer for Neil and his robot.
Best of luck, Neil!
In the final of IRC on December 11th from 7 PM onwards, only on India's best robotics learning YouTube channel, WitBlox.